Make a great choice today with the 2024 Sonata. The Sonata has a long list of technologically advanced interior features and options that make driving safer, more convenient, and much more fun. Don't forget the exterior corrosion protection, a 14-step roto-dip system that provides unmatched protection for your Sonata. This vehicle has less than 10,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: power windows with safety reverse, stability control, power brakes, braking assist, traction control, rear view camera, driver attention alert system, airbags, driver, knee, audio radio, touchscreen display, electronic messaging assistance with read function. Wouldn't you look great in this vehicle? Stop in today and see for yourself.
This is a one-owner vehicle with a Carfax Vehicle History Report. Be sure to find a complimentary copy of this report online or contact the dealership. This vehicle qualifies for the Carfax Buyback Guarantee.